Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.77 and $7.13 by 2030. Market investigators accept Nexo could reach $2.94 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 67 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing because of the development of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked resolutely to foster an extraordinary cryptographic money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood money. We should take a gander at the coin synopsis prior to getting into an exhaustive value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a helpful option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt advance in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo essential investigation. Notwithstanding being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is incredibly defenseless and, as other cryptographic forms of money, is intensely dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a huge increment that proposed a critical degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Nonetheless, it showed basically level force until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents. However, it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Out of the blue, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed lackluster showing, the Nexo cost showed strength, acquiring financial backer certainty and exhibiting a huge expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own insights, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million endorsers overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of north of 40 critical digital forms of money are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, XE, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Nexo current cost. Nexo is as of now worth 83 cents USD. Nexo has moved 3.76% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,505,824. Nexo is as of now position 81 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $461,144,639 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Nexo cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.26. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.17 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $1.01. Nexo Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $2.10. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.68 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.85. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.94 and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.68 and a low of $2.52 in 2025. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Nexo effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.77, with a base cost of $3.36 and a typical cost of $3.52. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.36 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.19 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a greatest value worth of $4.61. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.20. On the off chance that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $5.45. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.03. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $5.87 and a yearly cost close above $6.29 in 2029. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $6.71 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.13, averaging out at $6.88. Nexo Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Nexo cost in 2031 is projected to be $8.22 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $7.89. And the cost of the Nexo presently doesn't anticipate what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is subject to the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how Nexo will foster from now on. You could likewise explore the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buy in this market. It is trying to foresee a cash's definite worth ahead of time because of the unpredictable idea of the digital money market. A notable digital currency that has so far been effective is Nex.